Hello, I'm Nick. This is Nick's Crazy Tips. As you can tell, I'm English. I'm 66 years old, so I'm not a youngster, but as a result, I have lots of experience. And through my running career, or through my basically life of running, I picked up a few little things that can be very, very useful. So I'd like to share some of them with you, and that's the idea of this little Nick's Crazy Tips. Usually before we would go to a race, I would usually write something of my kind of little bits of advice that can help with your race. But there are also some of the tips I will give you will help you generally with your recovery from races or from your training, or maybe help with your training. So my first one, which really seems kind of crazy, is before you run a race, there are a few little things that you can do that or consider, and one of them is like particularly with men. You know, if you don't have a beard, if you do shave on a regular basis, it's actually been shown scientifically that when you shave, it actually takes away some actual energy. Physiologically, it makes you weaker. In America, this has been referred to as the Samson Effect. If you know anything of the Bible, Samson, when he cut his hair, lost all his strength. So it's been proven that this effect will last for about 24 hours. So it's recommended that if you're going to shave before a race, you don't shave on the morning of the race. The last time you shave is basically the day before. Now with women, this can apply to, obviously women sometimes shave their legs, and this can have the same effect. So I don't think there's too big a problem with having bristly legs if you shave the day before and you don't shave the morning of a race. The same effect comes into play when you have your hair cut, but in this case it's usually 48 hours before your body gets back to the same strength it was before. So it's recommended that if you're thinking to get a haircut before a race, you do it 2 days before. And with women, it can be a haircut. It can also be like a style, getting your hair styled, get a change of color of your hair. It's the same thing, that you should consider doing this not less than 48 hours before the race itself.